Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. This video is about stories of the Loch Ness Monster. There are many lakes and mountains in Scotland. Loch Ness is a lake situated in the Scottish Highlands. What is a loch? Loch is the name given to the lakes in Scotland, and there are many of them. Loch Ness is one of the largest and deepest waters in the United Kingdom. Over the years, many stories have been told about strange creatures living in the deep dark waters of Loch Ness. Some people have even claimed to have seen the Loch Ness Monster, also known as Nessie, although there has never been any real evidence. But what creatures could people have seen at Loch Ness? Could the Loch Ness Monster be a dinosaur which survived when all the other dinosaurs became extinct? Could the creature be an eel swimming around in the water? Or could it just be a piece of driftwood floating in the water and creating shadows to look like a monster? Do you think there is a monster living in Loch Ness? What do you think it would look like? For your hands-on activity, use your imagination to create a sculpture showing what you think the Loch Ness Monster could look like. For more information about this activity and more activities related to the UK, please go to handsoneducation.com, Year 2, the United Kingdom. I hope you enjoy creating your own sculpture. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!